Our motorbike journey from Old Town Phuket to Rassada Harbour began early at 7 a.m. We were exhausted, running on barely any sleep after a late-night food run at this amazing little halal market. Packing up quietly in the early morning darkness of the hostel was no easy feat either, definitely not the most graceful moment, lol. I think this was our first time hopping on the back of a Bolt motorbike to get to the pier. We each took our own bike since it was quicker and cheaper than waiting for a sedan. At 7 a.m., most people are still fast asleep, can't blame them. The motorbike ride was lush wind in your face. Quiet streets of early morning. Once we got to the harbor, things were pretty straightforward. We just showed our tickets and boarded the ferry without issues. Pro tip: leave earlier, it gives you a better chance of snagging the best seats on the boat. The sea can get rough, and if you're tired like we were, you'll want all the help you can get trying to nap through it.
When we got to Rassada Harbour, we were surprised to see how many people had already arrived. Some looked like they'd been waiting since sunrise. The energy was a mix of tired travelers and early morning excitement. We boarded this big ferry-style boat, found our seats, and within minutes, my friend was completely knocked out. Travel exhaustion hit hard. I was running on low energy too. Normally, I never get seasick, but this ride was unexpectedly rocky. I felt a bit off, just trying to stay still and focus on the horizon. It wasn't unbearable, but definitely not the smoothest ride. Thankfully, after a while, land came into view. We'd made it, Phi Phi Island at last. The water was crystal clear, the cliffs were towering, and the air felt warm and alive. Even though we were tired, that moment made it all worth it. A brand new place, a fresh energy, and another adventure waiting to unfold.